guys, this is Paul from Smart Easy DIY. Welcome to episode 17 of building my pole barn house. Today I just wanted to show this little clip here as an opening scene of my son helping to pull wire through the walls when we were doing the wiring. My sister was here helping for a little bit. It was really cold. It was in the middle of January, I believe, when we were doing this, and it was very cold. So I just wanted to show my son doing this a little bit. But what we're really doing is getting prepped for insulation and drywall. What I wanted to show you here was getting the spray foam guy with my driveway situation with so much snow that winter. This was 2 winters ago, and I had a hard time getting him up the driveway there. I ended up pulling him with my plow truck with all 4 tires chained, and we were able to get up there. It was a little bit of a tricky thing to do. Anyway, so we got him up here and situated, and then we got set up and started doing the spray foam inside. So I just wanted to document that a little bit here as we went along. So he did 2 inches of spray foam, which gives you an R14. It's R7 per inch, if you're wondering. And he said he wanted to do at least 1.5 inches to be vapor barrier. So I said, go ahead and do 2 inches. That'll give us 14. And then I ended up doing an R13 in the walls as well with fiberglass. So you'll see that here in a little bit. But the reason for that being is he said it's a good compromise of cost and sealing everything up tight. The fiberglass actually helps for sound deadening. If you do everything in spray foam, you can pick up outside noises really well because there's nothing there to really deaden it. It actually transfers sound really well. This is how he explained it to me. So spray foam is done. So we got it all cleaned up. Got the windows all unmasked, doors all unmasked. I was busy today hauling insulation from Lowe's. Got an R13 right there and soundproofing for the inside walls. But yeah, the R13 is gonna go in here. Since we did 2 inches of insulation there, the spray and stuff, we still got room for R13 in the walls. So that's what we're gonna do there. So it turned out really good. Like all the headers above the doors and windows, he's able to spray in there. And then sprayed up in the top there. So I still gotta put my boards back up there to catch the drywall there. But yeah, it turned out really good. So yeah, then I did that fiberglass on the walls, and as it progressed along here, I also did soundproofing on all the bedroom walls and the bathrooms and stuff. I used the Roxul insulation soundproofing. That's really good stuff. It's Roxul. You can get it at Lowe's. Home Depot doesn't carry it anymore. I don't like the brand that Home Depot carries, but check out all the snow I got here. I ended up having to rent a skid steer and just getting all the snow out of the way so the drywall guys could come up and deliver the drywall. There was so much snow on the ground, they just could not get access very well. It was partly from having a camper set up, and so the roof, snow came off the roof and there was no really good way to clean it off and stuff. Because we lived in the camper on site for 10 months while we built this house and stuff. Anyways, you can see here, they got it all unloaded. It went really well. Here's one quick last walkthrough after all the insulation and soundproofing and everything's been done before I have to take down my temporary lights here and get ready for drywall. So I decided to have somebody else hang the drywall. It's just a lot of drywall and I'm short on time and I have to actually be out of town for a couple of days. So for 25 cents a square foot, somebody's gonna hang my drywall, which I think is pretty reasonable. And there's about 9,100 square feet of drywall in this place. So you can see it's all stocked here. They made the driveway, as I showed in a previous video here. But yeah, so this is just to kind of show. That's the kitchen over there. Living room. It's gonna be all wide open. Awesome. So then there's the bathroom, bedroom here. It's gonna be my office, hopefully. So walk in here. It's a nice big room. Okay, so walking back out, you can see my son's been busy there with the bikes and trikes. Okay, so this is the bathroom. It's kind of dark in here, but that's all set. There's a toilet back in there. So yeah, kind of dark. But so when you walk in the door, there's the linen closet there. And then right over there is going to be where the vanity and stuff goes. So it's a nice sized bathroom. Then there's the hall that goes to the door, going outside. Guess we'll cover this side of the house while we're here. So here's where the washer and dryer is gonna go. Then there's the dryer hookup. Goes up, up, up in there. Here's the mechanical room. Of course, it's pretty messy right now. Just kind of putting some stuff in here for now, because I'm just gonna have them hang the ceiling drywall, and then the rest I'm gonna do when I do it with plywood or something like that. That's my thoughts. So mechanical room, it's all kinds of fun stuff there. So we're gonna go back out here. So the hallway goes down there. Here's another bedroom. This is the middle bedroom here. So closet over there. It's going down the hall. There's a big closet in here. It's really big. It's about 10 feet wide, so the door opening's like 6 feet. And I'm gonna have an on-demand hot water heater right there for feeding the bathroom over there behind it. Here is the pantry. It's gonna have a freezer there where that fridge is currently, because our fridge in the camper quit working, so this is in here temporarily. That's my attic access, my only spot for it. So huge pantry. Okay, so another bedroom over here. Again, sharing a closet now on this side. The other side's over there. Then just to kind of show it. So then master bath over here. Nice extra deep tub shower. Pocket door coming in there. Vanity's gonna go there. Now into our bedroom here, which there's a normal opening. And then master closet here, pocket door. It's big, but yeah, so this is our master bedroom. All right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed that little walkthrough. Coming up is somebody else is gonna hang the drywall. I'm just kind of doing some quality control here, checking on things after they're done, but I just wanted to show you of what's coming up in the next episode is kind of drywall and mudding and priming and painting, all that fun stuff. So, all right, guys, well, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.